The trays allow you to cook 3 things at one time. I can't wait to get to that part. Right now I'm just cooking some spaghetti and meatballs to see how they come out. They microwavable. So I got 2 different bowls in there. And we're gonna see how they come out first before we try anything else. But it has another tray that fits under this tray, and then it has the glass tray that fits up under that tray. We just got this, doing a little simple review on it. I was impressed knowing that it has a built-in air fryer. It really impressed me. Rice comes with 3 trays. I guess you can see that one too well. But the other ones is inside. After I finish, I'll take a picture of them. Yes, this is one. It's another one up under there. But I don't think I can get to it right now.